Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Asana desktop app. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now in the URL box, just type in Asana. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter. And in here, in the first search result, just click on manage your team's work. All right. Projects and tasks online. Just click on it. And here you have the link for the desktop app. Just click on it. And there will be a download page. Save it wherever you want. For example, here in my desktop, I'm going to hit on save and wait for the download process to finish. All right. It's done. So I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to click on it and wait for the installation process to begin. That is starting. So all you have to do is just put your email address or the account that you used to log in with Asana like that. And just click on sign into Asana. A verification process right here. Select the correct account and click on open Asana. All right, wait for it. As you can see here, it is now loading. And here we have the Asana desktop app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.